Hello everyone. So in last video we discussed about the lesson number 2, where we live and what we wear. Firstly we will recall the lesson. First point, let's recall here. First point, a house may be big or small, but it will be good to live in only if it is clean, gets proper sunlight, and is free of germs. Second point, living in a clean and well ventilated house will keep us healthy. This point also we discussed in the previous video. Third, clothes are made from fibers. Fourth, fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers. Fifth point, man-made fibers are also called artificial or synthetic fibers. Sixth point, some materials such as rubber and plastic do not allow water to pass through them and are called waterproof materials that will not allow the water. Last point, we should always wear clean and well ironed clothes. After finishing the recall of this lesson, we will move on to the words to know. Here we have first germs. Germs is nothing but a tiny living things that cause diseases. Second one, ventilation. Ventilation is nothing but a movement of fresh air inside a house or building. Third point is circulates, moves continuously and freely in an area. We call that as a circulate. Fibers, threads from which a cloth is made. Natural is nothing but a found in nature. Next we have felt, a type of thick cloth made from wool by pressing the fibers tightly. Next, man-made. Man-made is nothing but a things that are made by man. Artificial or synthetic is nothing but a not found in nature but made by man. Waterproof is nothing but things that do not absorb water, that will not hold the water. After this we will move on to the let's practice. First main is match the following. First one is ventilation. Ventilation is nothing but a circulation of fresh air, because animal fiber will not come, man-made material will not come, kill germs will not come, and plant fiber also will not come for the ventilation. That is nothing but a circulation of fresh air. Second one, cotton is a what? Plant fiber. It is natural. Next one, wool. So wool is nothing but a animal fiber. Raincoat is nothing but a man-made material. Last, sunlight is kills germs. Next main, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First question, a dash house is well ventilated. A dash house is well ventilated. The answer will be good because bad is not a right answer. Second one, dash prevent mosquitoes from coming into the house. So curtains will not the answer. Wire nettings is the answer. Wire nettings prevent mosquitoes from coming into the house. Third one, we dash keep the windows open to allow sunlight in the house. We should keep the windows open to allow sunlight in the house. Should is the answer. Fourth one, silk and dash are animal fiber. Silk and wool, because rubber will not. Next, fifth one, we dash wear clean and ironed clothes. We should wear clean and ironed clothes. This is the last point. in the recall. So after finishing this, we will move on to the next main, that is C. C main is answer the following. So in that, first one is short answer questions. First question is why should we cover the drains near our house? The answer is we should cover the drains to keep away flies, cockroaches, mosquitoes and rats. So this is the answer for first one. Second question, why is sunlight important for our house? Why is sunlight is very important to our house? That will kill the germs, no? Let's see the answer. Sunlight is important for our house as it helps to kill germs. This is the answer for second. Third question, name any two natural fibers. Name any two natural fibers. What are the natural fibers? Guess. Any guess? Natural fibers are that are made by, that are come from naturally, means either it may be from plant or it may be from animal. Let's see the answer. The answer is cotton and wool. Yeah, next move on to the next question. Fourth question, name any two man-made fibers. Name any two man-made fibers. The answer is nylon and polyester. So these are the short answers. Then we will move on to the second main, that is long answer questions. First question as follows. List the features that will make our house a good place to live in. So we have to write or list out the features that will make our house good. Here comes the answer. A house is good to live in only if it is clean, well ventilated, gets fresh air and proper sunlight also, and is free of germs. It should allow circulation of fresh air and should have proper wire nettings. That should be proper wire nettings to keep away mosquitoes and flies. To keep away mosquitoes and flies. If we properly done wire nettings, by that we will not get the mosquitoes and flies. People should throw waste in the dustbins. The drain should be covered and the floors should be mopped daily with a good disinfectants. Yeah, we done the first answer. Next move on to the second question. How does air circulate inside a house? The answer is fresh air enters the house through doors and windows and stale air moves out. In this way, air circulates inside the house. Fresh air enters the house through doors and windows also, and stale air moves out. In this way, air circulates inside the house. This is the answer for second. Next, the third question is, list some ways by which we can keep our house clean. Third answer is, we can keep our house clean in the following ways. First point, we should throw garbage only in covered dustbins. These dustbins should be emptied every day. This is the first point. Next we have second point, that is we should keep our drains with a cover to keep away flies, cockroaches and mosquitoes and rats. Third point we have, we should sweep and mop the house daily. And next, Floors of rooms, bathrooms and kitchens should be cleaned daily with good floor cleaners. And also we should keep the kitchen and bathroom clean and dry. Drains in the kitchen and toilet should always be kept clean. That should be kept clean. Next, last 2 points we have. We should regularly wipe the doors, windows, pans, cupboards and shelves in the rooms with the dusters to keep them free of dust. Last point we have curtains and wire nets of doors and windows should be washed at frequent intervals. So these all our points are there in textbook only. You can note down that also. The last question here. Fourth question, what are the different kinds of fibers? Explain with examples. Though in these 3 questions we discussed from the starting of the lesson. First is about the good house and circulates the air. Third one, how we have to keep the house clean. Last we discussed about the fibers in the lesson. So about that the question is the answer as follows. Fourth answer, different kinds of fibers are natural fibers. These fibers are obtained from natural sources such as plants and animals, as we said. Here plant fibers, these fibers are obtained from plants, for example cotton and jute. Animal fibers, so because natural fiber, in the natural fiber we have plant fiber and animal fiber also. That's why we have to explain about these two also. That's why plant fibers is nothing but these fibers are obtained from plants, examples cotton and jute. Animal fibers is nothing but these fibers are obtained from animals, for example wool and silk. Last we studied about the man-made fibers. These fibers are not obtained from plants or animals but are made in factories. That is not from the plant or animal. So that is all made by factories or cloth mills by humans. For example, nylon, acrylic and polyesters. These are the examples of man-made fibers, and here these are the examples of plant fiber and animal fiber. This is what the kinds of fibers. Understood? Okay. Yeah, this is what the video is of. So by this we finished. Let's practice. I think you all understood that. All the questions, match the following and answers also. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. It is very helpful for all the children. So just make a use of it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.